To celebrate Garden Day 2021, what could be more glorious than to create and pop on a flower crown? I'm going to show you an easy way to create your own daisy chain inspired flower crown. I've got a couple of branches of olive that I've trimmed from my olive tree here in the garden, and I've just got some paper covered wire that I'm bending round, and that's just going to secure those in place so that it fits onto my head. And then I use the flexibility of these branches to act as the base for my flowers. And I'm using beautiful feverfew Matricaria. It's a gorgeous, smells wonderful chamomile family, and it just creates the most easy, simple and gorgeous flower crown. So I'm going to wire it onto my crown just in short bundles around onto the base, and I've pre-prepared all my stems. I've taken off most of the foliage because it can go a bit limp quite quickly, but if you give your flower and plant material a good drink before you use it, you'll find it will last that much longer when it comes to making your crown. And I'm binding this around using the paper wire to create a lovely ramshackle and abundant flower crown of beautiful dreamy daisies. So you work your way around until you're starting to meet the first daisies you added in, and then create yourself a little handful, cut them short and sneak those in to fill in that gap. And give it a couple more twists with your paper wire, and there you should have a gorgeous flower crown. Happy Garden Day, everybody.